Assalamu alaikum, our dear students, and welcome to a new lesson for our school, Qatar Technical School. And this is a lesson for grade 10. It's an English lesson. The title of the lesson is Enrichment 7. And this video is one of the series of videos we do as revision before the end of the first semester exam. Let's start by looking at language functions. In this exercise, we have 4 questions. Each one is question, and we have a group of answers to choose from as a reply to this question. For example, number 1, what size are these screws? Here we're asking about the size. So we have 4 options to choose from. These nails are big. They are 20 millimeters. 20 screws, please, or 20 pieces. And of course, the correct answer is B. They are 20 millimeters. Number 2, how many bolts do you need, sir? The 4 options are A, 30 millimeters, please. B, 30 pieces, please. C, 30 G, please. D, 30 V, please. G in number C means grams. And V, number 3, means volts. So do you think these are the correct answers? No, because we're asking about the number of the bolts. All of them have numbers, but A, C, and D are measurements. So the correct answer is B, 30 pieces, please. Number 3, how far can you drive car? How far can your car drive? Sorry. It drives. How fast can your car drive? A, it drives at 220 kilograms per hour. It drives at 220 kilometers per hour. C, I can drive it fast. Or D, it is brand new. Of course, the correct answer is B. It drives at 220 kilometers per hour. Number 4, what size of screws do you need? Again, we're asking about the size. I can do it. 16 millimeters, please. A screwdriver, please. I need 20 nails, please. Of course, the correct answer is B. 60 millimeters, please. Okay, here we have the same form of questions and answers in number 8. But here it's about vocabulary, it's about the words. We have to choose the correct word. How do you space pizza? I want to write it in my homework. And B answers P-I-Z-Z-A or Z-Z-A. Which of the following verbs fits the gap? We have spell, start, many, much. Of course, the correct answer is A. How do you spell pizza? And the answer is telling the letters or saying the letters of the word. Number 9, how do you your name? How do you your name? How do you do your name? How do you size your name? How do you many your name? Or how do you spell your name? Of course, the correct answer is how do you spell your name? Okay, the next group of questions is about grammar. Mars, there is a mistake here, forget about that. Mars around the sun. Gone around the sun, went around the sun, going around the sun, or goes around the sun. Mars is one of the planets, so it's one word, so the correct answer is goes. Number 11, Hamad to school every morning. Every morning, it's a repeated action. So walked, walking, walks, or is walking. Of course, the correct answer is C, walks. The Earth, our planet, go space around the sun. Which of the following verb fits the gap? Goes, went, gone, or going. The correct answer is goes, of course. Okay, this exercise is from the course book, page 33, and this is exercise 5. Complete the dialogue with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Look at my radio. Do you like it? Yes, it's great. What between brackets do that handle between brackets do? It, 3 space, turn a dynamo. The dynamo between brackets produce electricity for the radio. What are those? At the top, they are the solar panels. They space, and we need to correct the verb charge, the internal battery on a sunny day. Can the radio also space use mains electricity? Yes, it can. And it also use AA battery, external batteries, or AA external batteries. So your radio between brackets have 4 power sources. That's right. Okay, let's look at that again. Look at that my radio. What is the correct answer for number 1? What does that handle do? So here this question asks about the function or the job of this handle. What does that handle do? It is a singular word, so we need to add an S. It turns a dynamo. The dynamo also is a singular word, so we need to add an S. Produces electricity for the radio. What are those at the top? Number 5, they're solar panels. They is a plural word, so we don't add anything to the word charge. We use it as it is. They charge the internal battery on a sunny day. Can the radio also, here we're using the verb after can, so we use it without any change, use. And number 7, yes it can, and it also, it uses, we add an S, very good, because all it is a singular word. So your radio has, and you have to know carefully the difference between have and has. Okay, we don't say haves, we don't add an S here. We change the word from have to has because radio is singular. Good. Now let's move to exercise 6. Label the parts with the words in the box. We have blade or blades, handle, handles, head, jaws, shaft. Okay, the first tool on the left is a pair of pliers. The second one on the left, from the left, is a pair of scissors, then a shovel, and finally a hammer. Number 1, what should we write in number 1? Very good, jaws. Number 2, there are 2 pieces, so we use the word handles. Number 3, that's blade. And number 4, it's referring only to one handle. And number 5 also is a handle. Number 6, shaft. Number 7 is a blade. Number 8, this is a head. 9, also it's a shaft. And 10 is a handle. Thank you. Okay, so after doing this revision, it's very important, please, to study well, and you need to go to the teams to do the homework after you watch this video, and you have 24 hours to answer the homework. Please do your best. We wish you all the best of luck. Goodbye.